Growing your own vegetables and herbs can be very rewarding and enjoyable. You can grow them to use in salads, toppings, or other purposes. Have a look at our quick overview of our top 7 easy to grow herbs and vegetables and start sowing today. Number 1. Onions. Growing onions in gardens is super easy. You can grow onions from seeds or sets. Plant them in shallow tubs of rich potting soil and keep them moist at all times, but not too wet. As the bulbs develop underground, they push themselves through the soil surface, indicating when they are ready to be harvested. You can wait until the leaves wilt to allow the bulbs to attain maximum size. Number 2. Carrots. Carrots are pretty easy to grow in the ground as well. Deep soil, well-drained soil is preferable. A raised bed is a good idea. Nevertheless, you're simple and fun to grow. Your kids might even want to help. Make a plan to plant seeds in your garden 3 to 5 weeks before the last spring frost date. Carrots are ideally grown in full sunlight but can tolerate a moderate amount of shade. Make sure your soil is free of stones. They need deeply tilled soil that they can push through. Carrots are slow to germinate, 1 to 3 weeks, and often germinate unevenly over a period of several weeks. To speed germination, water lightly daily if soil is dry. Number 3. Garlic. Garlic is a very easy bulb to grow indoors and outdoors. All it takes is separating the cloves and sticking them into moist, well-draining soil. You can start the bulbs indoors any time of the year, but fall planting is best for outdoor beds. Longer growing season gives the plants enough time to develop good-sized bulbs. Keep the soil evenly moist, but waterlogging can result in bulb rot. Number 4. Ginger. You just need to plant a spare piece of your ginger root in potting soil, making sure that the buds are facing up. To start with, soak the ginger root overnight in warm water to get it ready for planting. Fill your pot with very rich but well-draining potting soil. Stick the ginger root with the eye bud pointing up in the soil and cover it with 1 to 2 inches of soil. Water it well. Number 5. Mint. Mint has multiple uses. Its fresh green leaves add a tangy punch to fruit salads, ice cream, juice, and brewed hot tea. Simply take some 4-inch cuttings of mint plants. Gently strip away all leaf sets on the stem, leaving on a couple of new leaves at the top of the cutting. Place the cuttings in clean water. Once roots develop, transfer them to a container filled with potting soil. Number 6. Lettuce. Lettuce tastes best when fresh. To regrow, eat your purchased lettuce and plop the base of the leaves you're left with in a couple of inches of water. Within a week, it will begin to regrow. Then you can plant them in the soil. Number 7. Sweet potato. Sweet potato is very easy to grow. You just have to cut the sweet potato in half and suspend it using toothpicks above a container of shallow water. Roots will begin to appear in just a few days and sprouts will be seen on top of the potato around that same time. Once those sprouts reach about 4 inches or so in length, just twist them off and place them in a container of water. When the roots from this container reach about 1 inch in length, you can plant them in soil. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share with your friends and family. If you have any questions about this video, leave it to the comment box. We will try to respond as soon as possible. For more health tips and recipes, subscribe to our channel.